Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize VS Code in 2026. Visual Studio Code includes a wide range of settings that let you change the editor's appearance, behavior, shortcuts, and workflow. So let's get started. First, open VS Code and go to the Settings area. Instead of browsing through every option manually, use the search field to find a specific setting. One of the easiest changes is the editor font size. Increase it if you want better readability, or reduce it if you prefer to see more code on the screen. You can also change the font family if you have another coding font installed. Next, look at options such as word wrap, autosave, indentation, tab size, and formatting. These settings can make a noticeable difference when you're working with code for several hours. You can also customize keyboard shortcuts. Open the keyboard shortcut settings and search for the command you want to change. If a shortcut doesn't feel natural, you can assign a different combination. Another useful area is the interface layout. You can move or hide panels, adjust the sidebar, and organize the workspace so the tools you use most are easy to access. Themes are another simple customization. You can choose a different color theme and icon theme to change the overall appearance of your editor. If you work with specific languages, you can also customize settings for individual languages. This allows you to use different formatting or editor behavior depending on the type of project you're working on. Extensions can provide even more customization options. Just make sure you install trusted extensions that you actually need. Yeah, it's usually better to make small changes instead of changing everything at once. That way, you can easily figure out which settings improve your workflow, and that's how to customize VS Code. With the right font, layout, shortcuts, themes, and settings, you can create an editor that feels much more personal and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you